Hello YouTube, Dano here. Yeah, I'm finally getting through some of this shit. Yeah, what we got here is some of what I ended up with from the hardware store. These are all herbrand. I don't think this is all I've got, but this is what I managed to sort out of this one box. Alright, what we got here is 22 mil. Then we got from 19 all the way down to 10. We got 19 all the way to 11, missing the 15. There's a few extra of each of them sockets. There's some standard, and these are 23 mil half-inch drive. These here are all 3/8 drives. We get this nice big bad boy, 35 mil deep socket. Quite nicely broached all the way through. Okay, here we got some 3/4 drive. You got 15/16, 7/8, and 13/16. Some nice heavy sockets. We've got a nice ball style swivel. There we go, herbrand. What was that? PJ 35. That looks kind of nice. Then we got what is this? 7/8 half-inch drive deep. And what's this one here? 7/8 half-inch drive shallow. And then we got a few of the standards there. These two here, half-inch drive from 3/8 to 15/16, and then I found the 1-inch that could go with it. That's an extra 1-inch drive, or 1-inch socket, half-inch drive. And we got 1 3/16 shallow. That's actually quite shallow compared to the other half-inch. Yeah, about the same, I guess. And we got, what was it, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19. Those are swivels, half-inch drive. The ball and pin. And we got a 3/4. Yeah. That's one thing with herbrand. They fucking flipped it every once in a while. Sometimes they do the name one way and then the name the other way. But yeah, this is what I've got sorted out so far for the herbrand stuff. I'm gonna throw this stuff in the herbrand box. Alright. Now, if you stuck around to this point of the video, alright, hopefully you all did, I've got an idea. Alright, everybody's into testing tools and thinking what they're capable of doing in that. And sorting this stuff out, I got 4 22 mil. Focus, you fuck. Focus. There we go. Nah, not even. They're all 22 mil. Take my word for it. Alright, in any case, they're all exactly the same. I would like to find 4 people maybe willing to test these up against Snap-on, Mac, whoever. Now the question is to find 4 people. I have one guy in mind so far, the Bear, down at Tools. You know how he likes testing stuff. There's a couple other guys too I would like to send it out to, but we'll see who responds to this anyways. What you're going to have to do is email me It's in the description. And then I've got 4 of the 13/16 herbrand impacts. The only problem is I only got 3 of this style, and we got 1 of this style. I don't know if it's going to make a difference or not. And this here is chrome moly. I'm not sure if that's what they make them all from. It looks a little bit different. Well, we'll figure it out. Okay, so we got 4 13/16. We got 4 22 mil. Alright, if you would like to get in on this, please email me. My email's in the description. And we'll pick 8 different people who wants to do some testing. We got a whole bunch of these. Nice brown bubble wrap envelopes. And we'll figure out who wants to do some testing. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. Dano out.